Introduction to Dry Mortar Packaging Machine. Dry mortar packaging bags are mainly open bags and valve bags. Packaging machines can be divided into open bag packaging machines and valve bag packaging machines. Open bag packaging machines need to be equipped with a bag sewing machine, which increases labor costs, equipment investment costs, and equipment maintenance costs. Valve bags are currently popular international packaging bags. They are filled with materials through valve ports. After filling, the bags are neatly stacked and beautiful. They are environmentally friendly bags. Valve bags have automatic sealing characteristics and do not require additional bag sewing machines and bag sewing personnel. After a large number of user surveys, technical personnel have fully studied and analyzed the various material properties of dry mortar and successfully developed a pneumatic packaging machine suitable for the dry mortar industry. At present, Shanghai Guangxi Pneumatic Packaging Machine has been in many dry mortar stations and dry mortar engineering users. After a large number of rigorous tests, it has won praise from users. Product introduction of pneumatic dry mortar packaging machine. Most dry mortar materials have poor fluidity, and pneumatic packaging machines use compressed air as power. Compressed air flows through the atomizer to fluidize the material in the sealed container, thereby achieving the function of conveying and feeding. The sealed container uses a pneumatic rubber valve, and the flow area of the valve is controlled to control the feeding amount of the packaged material, achieving effective and stable packaging accuracy